Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today is March the 11th and it has just, well, it rained this morning a little bit, but the last 2 or 3 days it has rained a lot. Today we're going to take and plant some peas. Alrighty, so let's get started on this. First off, I'm going to do is I'm going to take and rake back the mulch. And what it is, it's leaves. We'll rake it back. There's worms all over the place here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to dig me a little trench. Just a shallow. Just a little bit. And I know people say, oh, you said no dig. Well, I'm talking about turning the ground, churning everything up. All I'm doing is making a little bit of a trench. Let me go get my seeds here. And we're going to plant us some peas. Now I'm going to sow these a little bit thick. Because these seeds are probably a couple of years old. And that's okay. That's the reason I'm going to sow them a little bit thick. Get in there. Got a little bit of a problem with birds. Of course, I'm feeding them, but I like my birds. They serve a purpose, but they also like my seeds. They like them too. So, let me put my seeds up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cover these up with compost. Just put a little light covering over them. Looks like one bucket's going to do it. I'm going to take Kylie, tap them down just a little bit. Now I'm going to put my leaves back over there. Keep it moist. Now you'll notice this ground wasn't wet and sobby. It was just moist. And that's because of the no dig. That's because of I'm using mulch on top. And got my label. This is number 11. Put it right here. Now the way I sow seeds, sow peas, is I take and on that side I sowed some earlier, and about 2 or 3 weeks later I sowed some more on this side. That gives me a little bit of staggering of the crop. Anyway, get you up here where you can see me. Sorry about that. Anyway, thanks for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener, and as always, happy gardening.